Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove your Telegram account permanently, follow these step-by-step instructions to delete all your data and close your profile. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to my.telegram.org to access Telegram's account self-destruction page. Step 2. Enter your phone number including country code that is associated with your Telegram account. Step 3. Telegram will send you a confirmation code via Telegram app. Open your Telegram app to retrieve this code. Step 4. Enter the confirmation code on the website to verify your identity. Step 5. After verification, you will see a page with information about your account and data. Step 6. Scroll down to find the Delete Account section and click on it. Step 7. Telegram will show you a warning message explaining that account deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. All your messages, groups, and contacts will be lost. Step 8. If you are certain you want to proceed, type a reason for deletion in the provided field. Step 9. Click the Delete My Account button to permanently remove your Telegram account. Step 10. You will receive a final confirmation, and your account, along with all associated data, will be immediately and permanently deleted from Telegram's servers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.